Hey, what's up, Dean? It's your performance at the shop in the heat, sweating. But we got the DOD delete all done. Just finished up the tune. Justin knocked it out, and truck has some serious misfires on the passenger side. Cool. Almost forgot my MPV oil, but yeah, what is going on here? There we go. So sounds good, but he's gonna have to get the misfire checked out because it's very apparent. It's probably the MSD coils. Those things are junk, and the easiest way to detect a misfire, I assume, I'm gonna shut off the light, is here, where this is our quick wide open throttle. And just so you see, speed is 9 mile an hour, 2300 RPM, and I go wide open throttle. So not from a dead stop. The truck's actually rolling. I don't like doing dead stop wide open throttle. But you can see it's now moving. There's a 1-2 shift right there. And the truck never revs past 5780, 5580. So we don't let it rev way out. And then the speed, you can see 80 right there. It's not even at 80. Speed never really goes over like 56, 57 miles. Oh, 55. So 56. So we never race around people's trucks. But you can see here, these are the O2s. So the light blue is O2 bank 2 sensor 1, so the upstream sensor. The dark purple is O2 bank 1 sensor 1 upstream. So bank 1 is driver side, bank 2 is passenger side. And you can see the driver side goes rich on the O2, which it's supposed to, where it comes up. And you can actually see there's a hint of a misfire here, but here is the passenger side. It goes dead lean. And this is why we kind of don't race people's trucks around, or vehicles I should say, because of things like this. Going lean is not good. Now it's naturally aspirated, but here's another one where it did it, and you notice the same kind of hiccup on the driver's side, misfire, but then it comes right back. And this is wide open throttle again, 1-2 shift, and then slowly goes up through the RPMs. This one I think went to like 60. 1, 2, 62. So, but you can see again, the dark purple's way up here where it should be, and the orange, or the light blue, is bottomed all the way out. So bottomed out is very lean, topped out is rich where it should go. This red line is the long-term fuel trim for bank 1. This is the long-term for bank 2, so it's adding a bunch of fuel to the passenger side. I don't know how it all works, but basically it's trying to compensate for something, and then over here it just doesn't have the fuel for it. So I'm not really sure how he fully sees that is a misfire, but he is 99 out of 100 times right, 99.9 out of 100 times right, because he went exhaust leak first. I double checked all the header gaskets. they're not leaking. There is leaks underneath. I showed all of those in the first video. There's really nothing I can do about it. They're very minimal now, and they're after the O2 sensors, so they don't affect the O2 sensors. Whereas like a header flange would pull fresh air and constantly show a false lean, and he would be putting fuel, and it would continuously show a false lean. This is very different, where it's showing, I don't know. I don't know. It's just misfire, and MSD coils are known to go bad, be bad. I don't ever recommend them or use them, but yeah, that's it for this one. So I am actually leaving. It's 900 degrees in here right now. So appreciate you watching. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified of new videos. Leave me a comment. As always, have a good day.